All right, what's up? So working on the S10 today. I got the wiring harness laid in there and trying to get an idea of what changes I need to make to the harness. I wanted to give y'all a look at everything. So everything runs in through that hole in the firewall. On this side, the only thing I really need to change is the fuel pressure sensor plug. We'll shorten it and it'll land there. The other side, kind of the same. Everything lands where it needs to, except for the map sensor. It'll probably be on the firewall, so we'll shorten the map sensor. But yeah, it looks pretty good so far. I'm happy with it. It's gonna be pretty clean. I'll give y'all a look at the inside. So this is where I got all the slack pulled back and coiled up. So all this will get cut out and we will repin it at the main plug for the Holly. So it'll be nice and clean. There won't be any splices in the harness. We won't have any failure points. I do have the main power for the Holly plugged in. It'll run up and get tucked right here, drop down through this hole and run to the battery. So that's pretty much it. I did work on the throttle body today. I removed the connector off the side of the throttle body, this here, and just welded this hole up. So pretty happy with the way that came out. It could have been better, but I'm only using 120 volts on my welder, and so I only had 120 amps, and I needed a little bit more to get that started, but it don't leak, and that's all that matters. So everything's coming together. I got a couple more things to pick up, of course. I got to get an intercooler, a radiator, turbos, and a converter. And I'll probably get a new drive shaft because this one looks like it's been through some stuff and I don't really want to have any vibration in the drive shaft. So that's where I'm at, just working on the wiring harness and trying to keep making progress on the truck. I am really happy with how it's coming out so far. Trying to make everything clean, but yet functional and able to be serviced. So trying to keep all that in mind. If you didn't see my last video I posted, I did get a TIG welder. So I've been learning how to aluminum weld. So don't roast me too bad on my aluminum welding. I've never done it before, so trying to learn, but I am very excited to have this now. We can do everything at home and I don't have to take things that I've tacked together with my flux core welder and weld them somewhere else and take the risk of that piece not fitting as good as it should because I can't weld it in place. But that's pretty much going to do it for this video. Just want to give y'all an update and show y'all what I'm working on. I just want to get this wiring harness kind of moving in the right direction. I could leave it like it is and just coil it up, but I think cutting it back is going to make it a lot better and look a lot cleaner and won't have the extra weight of, you know, the wiring. I know it's not a lot, but trying to make everything as light as possible. So if we can cut it out, we're going to cut it out. But yeah, that's going to do it for this video. If y'all would like, comment, subscribe, you know, tell me what you think. And yeah, I'll catch y'all next time.